Today we're going to show you how to replace the variable valve timing solenoid on your Subaru Crosstrek. This is located under the hood on the front of the motor. We're going to remove this bolt holding the air intake shroud. This is a 10 millimeter. Next, we're going to grab a clip tool or a flathead screwdriver and remove these clips. Next, simply pull the intake up and out. We'll remove the connector from the variable valve timing solenoid. Press in on this clip and pull out. Inspect the connections to make sure nothing is corroded. We'll remove the two 10 millimeters. And we'll pull the solenoid out. If the solenoid doesn't just slide out, you can use a hammer and a flathead, but be very careful. Spray a little brake clean on a rag and clean out the bore. Before installing our new solenoid, we're going to make sure that the plastic ring and the rubber O-ring are on. Plastic O-ring first, rubber O-ring second. Then we'll put a little bit of oil on the O-ring just to make sure it goes in easily. With the O-ring about halfway onto the solenoid, we can push it in so that the O-ring will roll into place. Line up where your 10 millimeter bolts are going to go in. Install your 10 millimeter bolts. The 10 millimeter bolts get torqued down to 4.7 foot-pounds. If you don't have a small enough torque wrench to do this, you can just use a small ratchet and be very careful not to over-tighten it. Plug your connector back in. Make sure you hear it click. To reinstall the intake, simply push it into the rubber boot. Now you can reinstall your clips. With the inside of the clip pulled halfway up, and push it back into the hole. Do the same with the other one. Reinstall your 10 mil.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.